One of the best way for getting natural collagen in while enjoying this rich flavorful soup. It's good for the body, it's good for the skin, and trust me, you'll enjoy the taste. First, to my Dutch pot, I'm adding some clean chicken foot with pumpkin, garlic, and pimento seed. Pouring enough water, cover, let that cook while we prepare vegetables. Here's the list of ingredients that we're going to use. So we have some corn, we have scallion, thyme, carrot, hot pepper, chocho, we have a piece of yellow yam, we have pumpkin, Irish, and piece of sweet potato. About half an hour after I went in and I used a paper towel and clean around the edge or the rim of the pot, and then I added some more water, add my chicken back to the pot, give it a good mix, cover it, and allow everything to cook down. So about another half an hour I went back in to check on the chicken foot them. The chicken foot them did nice and tender, so I'm just cover the pot and just make them go and cook. Alright, so now it's time to knead the dumpling. So in a bowl I have about a cup of flour, about quarter cup of cornmeal, and a pinch of salt. I'm slowly adding some warm water to mix, and I'm mixing with a spoon first, and then I'm go in with my hand, knead it until everything come together nice and smooth. So if it feel a little stiff, what I gonna do? Dip your hand in the water and just sprinkle a little and knead again. Right, that's it. So now we are go back to the pot and we are gonna add with pumpkin, we are add with yellow yam, corn, carrot, chocho, Irish, scallion, thyme, and one whole pepper that I pierce for added flavor. Now this is how I build the flavor even more. I added some pumpkin flavored soup mix, combine that, then I added some cock soup mix, combine everything nicely, and then I go toss in a few pimento seeds and a little of the noodle. Combine it, cover it, and let that simmer down. Now, once the pot start bubble, we're going in and we're gonna add few dumplings. I add dumplings and then I also add a few spinners, which is still dumpling, to the pot, right? And then we give that a good mix. Cover and let everything simmer until everything come together beautifully. And just like that, we have a rich, hearty, collagen-packed chicken foot and chicken back soup. And guys, if you've made it this far, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and let me know if you're trying this one. And don't forget, my recipe book is available. The link is in the bio with more soup recipe. And try something. And I'll see you guys in another one. Bye-bye.